ADHD fueled project updates. You guys ready? For starters, we got this built so that I could put all the yarn skeins up here. It took the same space that our original unistrut was on for holding our camera, but I'm going to take that same unistrut right here and I'm going to mount it on the ceiling up here, and then I'm going to take another short piece and mount it on the ceiling right here. That way I can move the camera to either be over this or over that. Second, all of these tiles have been printing for the pegboards for making the perler stuff. I'm starting to get ready to do a massive glue up on a lot of these, and I'm going to see how much I can put on this. We have beads coming in for some of the perler projects, and I just got this shelf set up, but I'm going to do a full review on that on the channel just to go over some of that stuff a little bit more in depth. Now that these are getting a little bit closer to finished, I broke out some new Cat 6, my crimpers, and these connectors, because I have to replace a cord. This was a temporary setup, but it ended up staying here for way too long. I'm gonna replace that cord, and I have the 3D printer making these clips. Those clips are gonna go up, across, down, and they're gonna carry the new Cat 6 into my room. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get a nice clean cable management coming across and be able to clean some of that up and get some of this junk out of sight, out of mind. One of the next ones that I want to work on, the apartment closet, has been driving me absolutely insane. So one of the things that I want to get going is off of these boards right here. I actually want to do a new section coming across. That way I can kind of, utilize this space a little bit better. And then I'll probably do another one going across the top. That way I can put all the cereal boxes up and out of the way. The apartments do what they do for the resources that they've got and try to make things fair to everybody. So, I mean, overall it does its job, but this isn't enough space for what we need. So anyway, let's go back over here. We actually managed to rip a couple boards to throw into these shelves. I'm starting to put stuff on these shelves and get stuff cleaned up, especially after we set this shelf up over here and got the yarn out of the way. That actually cleared up a lot of space on this shelf, this shelf, this shelf, and you can't really see it all that well, but I opened up a whole nother shelf down here and took out some of the stuff on these shelves too. It's all a work in progress, and it's going to take a lot of time. For now, go build some shit. And if you're doom scrolling, go to sleep so you can build some shit tomorrow. Later, dudes.